Good morning, students, and good morning, friends, my dear elders. And in your today's class, you will study present perfect continuous tense. So, firstly, we shall study identity means पहचान. What is the identity of present perfect continuous? We shall see continuity of actions with the beginning टाइम मीन्स रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ समय के साथ साथ. कहने का मतलब ये है कि कार्य आपका लगातार जारी होगा और उसी कार्य के शुरू होने का समय भी दिया होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, वह 2 घंटे से अपना काम कर रहा है, वह 2 घंटे से कपड़ा नहीं साफ कर रहा है, वे कई महीने से विद्यालय नहीं जा रहे हैं, कुत्ता 2 घंटे से नहीं भौंक रहा है, गाय 1 घंटे से घास नहीं खा रही है, या वे लोग 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे हैं, मछुआरा 2 दिन से लगातार मछली नहीं पकड़ रहा है. तो लाइक द वे वेन एवर वी स्पीक द सेंटेंसेज एंड सेंटेंसेज आर being to be continued and we also get time, then the sentences are called to be in continuous. means एक लाइन में सीधा सीधा कहेंगे जब कोई भी कार्य लगातार होना जारी हो और उसके होने का समय भी दिया रहता है, तो उसी को हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. एंड सपोज दैट इफ एनी वन आस्क टू यू, बेटा बाबू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूअस, देन यू विल टेल द डिफरेंस. इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस टाइम इज नॉट गिवन and in perfect continuous time is given. This is the basic difference. As example, वह 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. He has been studying for 2 hours. तुम सुबह से खेत में काम कर रहे हो. You have been working in the field since morning. Like the speak, we shall speak in every structure. वह 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. He has been studying for 2 hours. He has not been studying for 2 hours. Has he been studying for 2 hours? Why has he been studying for 2 hours? Has he not been studying for 2 hours? Why has he not been studying for 2 hours? And next is, you have been working in the field since morning. You have not been working in the field since morning. Have you been working in the field since morning? You have been. Why have you been working in the field since morning? Have you not been working in the field since morning? Why have you not been working in the field since morning? And after that you will see rule and structure. इसके बाद आप देखेंगे रूल और स्ट्रक्चर. इन रूल एंड स्ट्रक्चर फर्स्टली वी सी हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी यूज ऑफ हैज़ और हैव बीन. जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है मीन सहायक क्रिया है, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, हैज़ और हैव बीन का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड मेन वर्ब इज इन आईएनजी फॉर्म. मेन वर्ब के आईएनजी फॉर्म का यूज़ करते हैं. मीन्स प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, मीन्स प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. एंड आफ्टर दैट टाइमिंग वर्ड वी यूज ऑफ सिंस एंड फॉर. सिंस फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सिंस का यूज़ हम करते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए और फॉर का यूज़ हम करते हैं पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए. मीन्स निश्चित समय के लिए सिंस का यूज़ करते हैं और अनिश्चित समय के लिए हम फॉर का यूज़ करते हैं. तो ये हो गया. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी शैल सी द स्ट्रक्चर. So we shall see the structure that is subject has or have been plus or been ing form plus object. This is for affirmative, and for negative and next is have next is has have subject not have been verb in ing form plus object. This is for yes or no type negative. And next is interrogative word plus has have plus subject plus not plus have been plus verb in ing form plus object plus object. So these are the structure for affirmative, negative, yes or no type interrogative, WH type interrogative, yes or no type interrogative negative, WH type interrogative negative. And after that note timing word are always used just after the object in the last of the sentence. Timing words are always used just after the object in the sentence. For example, as Mohan has been performing the worship since morning. Mohan has been performing the worship since morning. You were flying the kite for 2 hours. You were flying the kite for 2 hours. They were सॉरी एग्जाम्पल गलत हो गया। यू हैव बीन फ्लाइंग द काइट for 2 hours. They have been mooching around here and there for many days. So example is Mohan has been performing the worship since morning. मोहन सुबह से पूजा कर रहा है। You have been flying the kite for 2 hours. तुम 2 घंटे से पतंग उड़ा रहे हो। They have been mooching around here and there for many days. कि वे बहुत दिनों से इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं। So like the way these are the structure and after structure no timing words are always used just after the object in the last of the sentence की जो टाइमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हम समय सूचक शब्दों को लिखते हैं उनका यूज हम सेंटेंस में हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद करते कर्म के बाद करते हैं। एज मोहन हैज़ बीन performing the worship since morning. Mohan has not been performing the worship since morning. Has Mohan performing the worship since morning? Why has Mohan performing the worship since morning? Has Mohan not performing the worship since morning? Why has Mohan not been performing the worship since morning? And next is you have been flying the kite for 2 hours. You have not been flying the kite since morning. You have not been flying the kite for 2 hours. Have you been flying the kite for 2 hours? Why have you been flying the kite for 2 hours? Have you not been flying the kite for 2 hours? Why have you been flying the kite for 2 hours? Why have you not been flying the kite for 2 hours? They have been mooch around. They have been mooching around here and there for many days. They have not been mooching around here and there for many days. Have they been mooching around here and there for many days? And have they been mooching around here and there for many days? Why have they been mooching around and here and there for many days? So like the way we speak many sentences and we say many example. So that's all and have a good day and have a good day. शुभ दिवस।